Sundowns' game was postponed bafowethu yokuvula kwayo isizini. Sekuconfirmed ukuthi iSundowns ngeke izidlale kule weekend yokuvula isizini. Do you think bafowethu into enhle lena yokuthi le game yeSundowns ipostpone noma mhlambe do you think izoba costa ekugcineni bafowethu mhlambe isikhathi seligi sihamba? Siyazi ke bafowethu ukuthi postponelweni igame yeSundowns it's not ukuthi we don't know ukuthi ipostponelwe indaba kaAdams ezisazi ke bafowethu ukuthi after iWorld Cup kube nje no nendaba ezibhlungu kakhulu bafowethu zokuthi uAdams useshile emhlabeni and kuyidistractile ke even nanayi team la esigcine sesibona khona sekupostponewa even nane trip that they had to take to Austria because bagcine sebehamba later than expected. Nje i-preparation yayo iSundowns bafowethu it wasn't kwi-standard lesi ejwayele ukuba kusona and that's a fact. Nje kuyinto ke bafowethu esibonile and sefihliwe ke nano Adams and njengamanje ngisho uKhadoso laphana ubengekho kwi-launch ye PSL bafowethu le ekade ikhona ihostiwe nje la sibone khona bonke ocoach noma ama representative nje wonke amanye ama team ubebengekho koKhadoso engicabanga ukuthi njengamanje nabo they are still getting time ukuthi ba prepare but mina bafowethu into engifuna ukukhuluma ngayo lana ubungozi bokuthi kuhlehle le game ngoba khona ekugcineni phela bafowethu bekufihlwa isosha la umuntu obevele na ibhola elithanda umuntu futhi ongabuyanga even ngisho phesheya bafowethu kushona ugogo wakhe wayidlala futhi game bafowethu waperforma so he was a soldier uJayden Adams le bhola so ke manje njoba kuhlehliswe le game because abantu abaningi ngiyabona bafowethu bakuthatha kancane ukuthi njoba le game ihlehla yabona le game njoba ihlehla iyongena kwispace senye into bafowethu senye mhlambe futhi igame and iSundowns siyayazi ukuthi kule season izodlala ama game amaningi kakhulu compared to amanye ama team including even iOrlando Pirates iSundowns izodlala ama game amaningi kakhulu so njengoba izodlala ama game amaningi kakhulu kwiSundowns ukuhlehla kwale game kuzoyidistracta imomentum yabo ngenzeka bona ukuthi njengamanje mhlawumbe kubukeka njengokuthi they are being given a chance yokuthi ba rest but izoba costa at a long run because mina you would rather play this game ngisho ngathiwa you don't play it at your best mhlawumbe udlale nje bade bedlala ku pre-season but still usuyisusile phambi kwakho ngoba manje uma isetakana lama game ilaba futhi izoqala khona inkinga and sonke sizokubona oqala akawaphuma ama fixture oCAF awakaphuma ama fixture alezi ezinye izinto and kuzothi uma sekuphuma wona since siwazi ukuthi nawo they don't cater for indaba yePSL so kuzothi uma sekuphuma nawo kuzokonakala ke ngapha ngoba ama game azogcina semaningi esendawonye so nje mina ngokwami nje bafowethu it wasn't a good decision for iMamelodi Sundowns ukuthi bayipostpone le game you would rather play this game because ekugcineni vele it's not ukuthi you are even playing mhlawumbe team enkulu but yasazi ke bafowethu there is a lot that goes on with ukuprepareisha for ama game bafowethu ePSL akusiko nje uABC mhlawumbe njengoba thina sisuke sama analyst esisuke sizokuanalyze there is a lot that goes behind the scenes wena ke what do you think bafowethu do you think it was a good decision le ndaba yokuthi iMamelodi Sundowns ifune ukupostponelwa igame le egcine ipostponiwe noma mhlambe nawe do you think ukuthi kuzoba costa kwi long run?